How to change your default messaging receiving app, and this is for the Vivo IQOO Neo 7 smartphone, okay, with Android 13, FunTouch OS 13. To change the default messaging app, use the quick panel access and go into the settings here. Once there, you'll want to use the search settings and type in the words default app, okay? As you type in that, and you'll see app settings, all right? This as a suggestion here for you. Go ahead and tap on that one time. That's going to take you here to the permission management section. And once in this section, go all the way to the very bottom until you see default app settings. As you're here now, you'll see all the default app settings that you can choose from. You'll look for messages, and depending on which compatible app you have on your phone is what you'll see available here. And you can just go ahead now and select the one that you want to be your default SMS receiving app. In some cases, it may be asking you to restart your phone. And if it's not compatible, it'll tell you. And of course, you'll want to give it permission to allow and all of that stuff. Okay. So other than that, that's that. You can come back and change it at any given time, like and sub.